In the spring of 2020, Old Town Outfitters and World Ride came together to create Guatemala's first women's bike library. With the generous support of World Ride, we now have 4 Kona mountain bikes that women can check out free of charge. The goal of the library is to make mountain biking more accessible to the local women's community. Since the launch, the bikes have been checked out over 100 times, and a weekly group ride is going out every Friday. We're lucky to have beautiful trails here in Guatemala, where you'll see volcanoes, amazing agriculture, and friendly people along the way.
Hola, yo soy Krista de Guatemala. Pertenezco a un grupo de chicas súper chilero. Salimos a lugares tan hermosos como estos. Gracias a Worldwide y Old Town Outfitters también, que nos han apoyado mucho. La experiencia ha sido increíble, es algo que le cambia a uno la vida. Conocer chicas que tienen el mismo gusto, apoyarnos y expresarnos usando la bicicleta.
I'm Anya from Germany, and I ride a lot in Germany, but in Guatemala I thought this is not possible to ride the bike here because it's everywhere dangerous or like going up the mountains. But then I found a group of like some girls who go every week, and we get bikes from World Ride, so we have the possibility to have it a little bit more like accessible for everybody. And it's not only about the bike riding, it's also about like sharing kind of like female power.
Hola, mucho gusto, me llamo Andrea, soy de Antigua Guatemala y actualmente pertenezco a un grupo de chicas que hace ciclismo en montaña. Esto me ha dado a mí la oportunidad de salir, de conocer más lugares, más rutas alrededor de mi ciudad, y también me ha dado la confianza de hacer deporte por mí misma.
Hi, my name is Katie. I'm from Australia, and I have been going on bike rides with this women's mountain bike riding group for about a month. It's been a great opportunity to get to know a little bit more of Antigua and know some more women who like to ride, and it's been great to be able to borrow really excellent mountain bikes from the bike library in Antigua.
We hope to ride with all of you soon.